How to turn off split screen on WhatsApp. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off split screen on WhatsApp. But if you have not turned it on, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on first. So you want to head over to your Play Store and here search for WhatsApp. Once you do, you want to update WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that you have to join the beta program in order to turn on the split screen. Now, if you want to turn it off, if you have already turned it on and now you don't want that anymore, you simply have to head over to your settings, and here you want to head over to advanced features, tap on labs, and here you want to turn off the split screen mode. Once you have turned off split screen on your settings, you want to leave beta program on WhatsApp and then clear your cache and data on your WhatsApp. After that, log into your account and the split screen will be turned off on WhatsApp. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.